everybody, welcome back. I'm Mrs. Baloo bringing pre-K to you. Today you will need 2 pieces of paper and a writing utensil. Today I am feeling excited. Where is the excited face? There it is. Because I get to show you something I found in my yard. How are you feeling today? I hope you're feeling good. So, the first thing we need to do is say goodbye to our old letters we learned from our last episode. Do you remember this letter? B. And the B said, B, B. Good job. Say bye, B. Bye, B. U. U says, say goodbye, U. Bye, U. And this letter. Do you know what this letter is? G. G says, G, G, like you're drinking. G, G, G. Say goodbye, G. Bye, G. Yesterday we learned 3 vocabulary words. We learned grow, which means to get bigger. Living, which is something that breathes, grows, or moves. And non-living, which is something that is not alive. It does not move, it does not breathe, and it does not grow. Today we have 3 new vocabulary words. We have bird, a creature that lays eggs and has wings, feathers, and a beak. We have shelter. A shelter is a place that protects from weather and danger. So your house is your shelter. And nest, a place made for laying eggs. Who makes nests? Do we live in a nest? No, but birds do, and this is why I was so excited. I found this in my yard. It must have been from last spring. It's a bird's nest. This is the bird's shelter. This is where they laid eggs, and it protected them from the weather and dangerous things. Now you should never touch a bird's nest if you see one because they could be very dirty, but I'm going to wash my hands after this. But isn't it neat? You could see all the sticks and leaves and all the things that the bird used to build its shelter. Pretty neat, right? We're learning about birds because they're living and they come out during spring. So we're going to learn about all the body parts, and here to talk to us about the bird's body parts is Veronica.
Hi, I'd like you to see my friend. His name is Ely.
Hi, Ely. Can you tell us about your body parts?
So I have a wing.
Wings.
I have a head.
Head.
Beak.
A beak.
And feet. And a body.
Awesome. Thank you for letting us meet your nice friend. So the first activity we're going to do, get a piece of paper, and we are going to draw Veronica's little birdie's friend body parts. So the first thing that we saw was his little head. To draw a head, you can make a circle. What else do you have, little birdie? I have a body. Hey, we have bodies too. Let's draw a body. Just another circle. What else does he have? What are these called? Wings. Let's draw his wings. And these things at the bottom of the birdie, feet. His legs and his feet. And right there in the middle of his face is his beak. And you can put some eyes on your birdie too. How is your bird looking? Bet it's turning out great. Now if you want to, we're going to label some of the parts. So up here by his head, we're going to write the word head. H,
E,
E,
A,
A,
and D.
D. Head. Let's write body. Body. B, O, D, Y. Now with your parent, you could label the other parts of your birdie later. I have something special for you today. Miss Blue wrote a poem for you. Are you ready to hear it? I sat beneath the big pine tree. I watched and waited to hopefully see a robin, a blue jay, or a sparrow perhaps. Maybe one will land in my lap. I hear chirping and singing of tunes. I want to see a bird, and soon. Just when I was losing hope, a little guy landed on a rope. Beautiful colors and cute little eyes. I felt a smile on my face rise. Quickly and quietly in my book I drew, and when I looked up, away my bird flew. So I have an activity for you to do with your sister or your brother or your parent, whoever you want, or you could go out by yourself or sit by your window and watch, but I want you to make a bird watching journal. So I went outside earlier with my family and we spotted these birds in our area. We found a
Robin.
And the robin was
Pretty small red.
red. We also saw a
Roadrunner, which is at Mount Taylor.
the roadrunner was
Fast, skinny, long tail.
it had a long tail. We also saw a
Raven, black, big, loud.
Can you sound like a raven?
I have no idea.
Ah! Last but not least, we saw a
Pigeon.
pigeon. The pigeon was very talkative. That means he talked a lot. And he was plump. He had quite the belly on him. So after this video is over, I want you to take some paper and draw the birds that you see in your area. Now we get to pick our letters. So on your next piece of paper, get ready to get some new letters. Alrighty, here comes the magic eggs. Hey, eggs go in nests. Birds lay eggs. Alrighty, let's see what letter we're gonna get today. Go ahead, Veronica.
I'm going to guess this and it can match one.
Okay.
It kind of looks like a watermelon.
Kinda. Pink and green.
Let's
Oh, that's a
this
tough
is
egg.
hard.
Oh, there it goes. Do you know what letter we found? E. And what does the E say? Eh. Together, let's write the letter E. How should I start?
You should go a vertical line.
A vertical line? Okay. One vertical line.
And then 3 lines that way.
Horizontal. 1, 2, 3. Alrighty. Did you get your E? Nice work, guys. Let's get another letter.
I'm going to get this pretty blue one, my favorite color. Geez, this one was easy to crack.
What letter did we find? G. says G, G, G. Together, let's draw our G. Ready? Big curved line. And G. G, G, G. Let's get one more egg. Ooh, that's a camouflage egg.
My favorite egg.
No peeking. What do you think it's gonna be? Another G. Let's write it. Around and in. Do you know what word we spelled? Let's sound it out together. Ready? Egg. G. Egg. That doesn't sound right. Let's blend it. Egg. Egg. Just like what a birdie lays in their nest, in their shelter. They lay eggs.
Like.
So we learned the letter E. G. G. And together, those letters make a word.
Egg.
Egg. So here is your activity. Go on your letter hunt and find E and G.
Look at Miss Pillow, I found it. E.
Awesome, I'll put a mark. I found 2 G's. And another E. So go around your house and find as many of those letters as you can. Don't forget to make your bird watch journal and do your activity. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, Miss Baloo loves you.